Hello, this is Jim with Land Cruiser Restorations. I want to show you what we currently have for sale. It's a 1989 FJ62 with a 6L80E automatic transmission. It's done in the desert tan, which is one of our favorite colors. It has all new suspension, shocks, steering stabilizer, greasable shackles, headers, new exhaust. It has a roof rack, LED lighting all the way around the roof rack. It's got new bumpers with an 8,000 pound Warren winch. We got 16-inch Pro comps. If you take a look at the interior, it's all leather throughout. Also has accent lighting, 7-inch touchscreen, Bluetooth navigation, backup camera, Tuffy center console. Also has cruise control, Grant removable steering wheel. A lot of attention was paid to the restoration on this very special build. It was one of our favorites. If you're interested in this cruiser or any other cruiser we have for sale, or if you'd like to have a custom build, give me a shout at 316-992-5986 so we can discuss exactly what your needs are for a custom built cruiser. Or you can visit our website as well.